Yo, and we have another video, and this is more news about Diddy. Apparently, he has a legal win. Diddy prosecutors want to dumb down elements of RICO charge. That's a bit odd. Simplifying for jury's sake. The jury's so dumb they need to simplify the RICO charges. I mean, from what I can see, it's very complex. It seems like they're trying their hardest to get in with something, but it's not that clear cut. The RICO trial is not really that clear cut what you can get him with, because there's lots of different elements, and it's not that simple. So they're trying to get something on the guy, and I don't know what are my predictions. Does he walk? Man, if he walks, they embarrassed himself. I'm gonna tell you that, and he gonna be. I think he and his powerful lawyers will be suing them, especially the city, after they smashed down his door and then ransacked his house. But I feel that he knows something, and there's stuff in those tapes that have high profile celebrities that he may have cut a deal. And I'm not sure about that. I'm thinking that it's like an Epstein thing. Who remembers Epstein? Where they had these books and all these people were involved with these high profile people, and as soon as he was gonna get sentenced, they found him hanged. I mean, I'm not saying Diddy's gonna hang himself, but I feel Diddy's cut himself a deal where he gets a lighter sentence, so he's gonna get some time, but he ain't gonna get the time that people want him to get or he deserves. So I'm gonna read through this. Let's have a look. In a stunning move, the day before closing arguments in Diddy's federal criminal trial in New York City, prosecutors have filed a key testimony during the trial, specifically attempted kidnap, attempted arson, and aiding and abetting sex trafficking. Prosecutors said in a letter to the judge, Arun Subramanian, the government is the following on instructions to the streamlined jury instructions. The reality, prosecutors seem to feel they have fallen flat on providing or proving Diddy allegedly kidnapped former employee Capricorn Clark, who was taken to a building and given a lie detector test to determine if she stole Diddy's jewelry and Cassie when she was allegedly held in a London hotel. More surprising, prosecutors are not pursuing the attended arson claim that Diddy blew up Kid Cudi's car in a jealous rage. During the trial, prosecutors never directly linked Diddy to the fire. Wow. Even when the guy said that, I mean, I guess there was no real evidence. It's not like they saw him on like camera throwing a damn hand grenade in there or a Molotov grenade in the guy's car, so I guess it could have been anyone, right? Both of these charges relate to a racketeering and RICO charge Diddy faces. As for the aiding and abetting sex trafficking charge, prosecutors don't explain what elements of sex trafficking. They will 86 from the jury instructions. Prosecutors are not dropping the various sex trafficking charges, only elements of them, and specifically aiding and abetting. Prosecutors do say in their letter they want a instruction that just because women Cassie and Jane gave prior consent to sexual acts, it does not mean that it can never be withdrawn. This is the thing about Diddy. We have to think about. He may, I don't know what he's done. He may be praying to some sort of devil or something like that, or Satan, or blood sacrifices. Because I don't know how this stuff just happens. I'm saying he might cut a deal, but a lot of what Diddy has done, it's past the statute of limitation. Like the Cassie and the beating in the hotel, he could never be tried for that, which is unfortunately the fact of the matter. We see it, it happened. Nothing can happen to him for that. The kidnapping as well, the car. Those were years ago, and it's like man, Diddy's like he's one lucky dude. A lot of people I've been on the internet. A lot of people saying, "Oh, he's looking for a pardon." Blah blah blah. Trump's gonna pardon him. Really? Trump's gonna pardon this guy? Could the state? You can only pardon him from state crimes. Blah blah blah. I don't know. I don't know if this is the case, and what they're trying to do is this get him like minimum time so he can be pardoned. I mean, it could be the case. I don't know, but it's really weird, man. It's really weird how this just suddenly happens. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this. Could it be a win for him? Would he walk away free? If he walks away free, I have to have a good look in the mirror and look at the world in itself. That someone could be so wicked to women, so greedy, and get away with so much. It would just show me that all you need to do is have money, and you can literally blow up cars, beat women. And the way hip hop is, hip hop will let him back in. Even with the gay stuff he's been doing, like rubbing semen on his nipples, man. I'm just saying, like, he'll probably find some way to explain that. It'd be embarrassing. It'd be like another drink champs moment. Don't know, it's a tongue twister for me. Where he was a bit embarrassed about that. You could tell Diddy was drunk on that show when he was talking, and he was coming out. That was the real Diddy when he was talking about, hey man, hey Playboy, we never party. That's the real Diddy. When he's drunk, that's what he does, man. He does some weird type of stuff, man, and rubbing semen on nipples, drinking semen. I don't know, but yeah, I'm out anyway. Like, subscribe if you want to. I'll just read the news here and there. I'll update on certain news topics. Tell me what you want to see anyway, because like I don't mind covering things in my so-called knowledge. I don't really have much knowledge, but give my views on things. I'm out.